Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the 2019 Geodetic Engineering Boards. And this came from analytic geometry. Pero pwede rin naman natin siyang gamitan ng integral calculus. Kaya lang masyadong mahaba. So ang ituturo ni Sir IJ yung pinakamabilis na proseso or process or way para ma-solve ito. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Lodi Cake Smart Jero, kay Harvey Apable Ramirez, tsaka kay Joshua Sus. And I would like to take this opportunity para pasalamatan kayo mga Lodi Cakes sa patuloy na supportan nyo sa channel ko and sa lahat ng platforms na meron sa Sir IJ. And I hope you all the best. God bless you always. Find the volume of the ellipsoid 0.04x squared plus 0.0625y squared plus 0.25z squared is equal to 1. So ano po bang ginagawa natin dyan, Sir IJ? So the first thing na kapag gagawin natin when we are solving for the volume of an ellipsoid, given the equation, so this is a 3-dimensional system, so lahat ng mga naka-decimal, i-convert muna natin sa fraction. So yung 0.04, kapag kinonvert nyo sa fraction using your calculators, so ang 0.04 is 1 over 25. So we can rewrite this as x squared over 25 plus, etong 0.0625, i-check nyo sa mga calculators nyo, kapag kinonvert nyo yan sa fraction, that is 1 over, that's correct, 16. Y squared over 16, Sir IJ, plus 0.25 is alam naman natin 1/4, so we can write it as z squared over 4 equals 1. So for this case, ito kasi a squared, b squared, c squared. Kung naalala nyo sa mga ellipse, meron tayong, kapag sa 2-dimensional, meron tayong mga semi-major tsaka semi-minor axis o mga lengths. So meron din naman dito, may pangatlo lang na ano siya, na parang semi na length, which is yung for the z axis. So ang gagawin nyo lang dito mga Lodi Cakes, yung 25 natin, equivalent kay a squared. Yung 16 natin, equivalent kay b squared. And yung c squared natin, equivalent kay 4. So ayan. For that case, kumbaga ang pinaka-equation kasi ng ellipsoid is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared plus z squared over c squared is equal to 1. And then we will just solve for the values of a, b, and c. So yung mga absolute value na lang, a equals 5, b equals 4, and we have c equals 2. So anong gagawin natin dyan, Sir IJ? Paano po bang formula ng ellipsoid? Ng volume ng ellipsoid? So the formula for the volume of an ellipsoid is given as 4/3 pi a, b, c. Okay, tandaan nyo na itong formula na to ha. 4/3 pi a, b, c. So yun yung pinaka-formula niya. So just multiply the values. 4/3 times pi times 5 times 4 multiplied by 2. So kapag kinuha natin yung product nito, I think 160 pi over 3, or that is approximately 167.55 cubic units. So the final answer for the board problem is letter A, 167.55. So tandaan lang po natin na ang formula ng volume ng ellipsoid, given the equation x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared plus z squared over c squared is equal to 1 is 4/3 pi ABC. So kahit pa paano, sana may natutunan kayo or na-refresh man lang kayo for this problem. And thank you so much to those who keep on supporting our channel. Pagpalain kayo palagi ni Lord. God bless you always. And happy Burmans sa mga Lodi Cakes. Bye-bye and God bless.